Hi, I'm going to tell you about the latest update in PocketTube, YouTube Subscription Manager. We've made a redesign for the TV mode. Let's pick the Sport group. We have 18 unwatched channels here. Click at the top. You can see 3 new tabs: Videos, Community, Patreon. The first tab is a feed with the latest videos from channels in this group. At the navigation bar, you can set videos count. Let's set 50 videos. Click on Play All, and we've created a new playlist with these videos. Also, you can filter by type. You can watch only live or, for example, live and uploads. Let's pick Sort By. There are 3 options: date added newest, or oldest, or most popular. Change the view list or grid. You can watch only unwatched channels and catch up. In the group, we have 18 unwatched channels. Click and we watch the video feed based on the channels, and you can catch up. Also in this mode, you have an animated thumbnail, time, and watch line. You can filter by unwatched videos only in this tab. Go to the video item. You can add to watch later or open some videos. The second tab, Community, is a feed with the latest post from channels in this group. You can set posts per channel count and set order priority for channels. It's enabled only for our patrons. I change order and move the most important channels to the top. You can hide some channels. Go to Posts. You can open the latest post on YouTube page or some particular post. We use an infinity auto scroll for posts. This is enabled only for Patreon. In free mode, you can watch only the limited post count. So go to the last tab. If you want to use all features of my extension, you can become our patrons. If you are my $3 patron, you have some benefits. There are subfolders for groups, health status for channels, and full access to community and video feed by the group. Also, you'll be listed on the contributors page. Thanks to my patrons. Priority customer support and early access to new features are also included. Not registered yet? Click and fill the fields and sign up on Patreon. Next, you can check out using card or PayPal. After that, you have to go back to this tab, click on Sign In using Patron, and authorize using your account. Click Allow. Features will be available for you. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and share it with your friends. I want to make my extensions the best. If you have any suggestions, write below in the comments section.